Life is sweet. And I believe this couple, as they are going to cut this cake, it is symbolizing their sweetness. The sweetness they are going to experience in the later years to come. And we want to wish them that. Can we clap hands for that? Wait a minute. In the same cake, there's salt. There's salt. So it's not always sweet. But guess what? It's palatable. It's doable. They can walk through life in ups and downs. When it's sour, when it's not tasting nice, together, hand in hand, they are going to make it. Let's put our hands together.